Welcome to the video presentation on SIL QMS, the innovative hardware-independent queue management system. SIL QMS is a flagship product which is ideally suited for managing queues at various organizations. The advantages of the system is that it is a fully web-based intranet-capable working software which can run on browser of any hardware including Linux and Windows computers, Android mobile phone or tablets, smart TV. SIL QMS is a totally customizable and configurable solution which can be implemented and can be ready to use with immediate effect. The admin will have the privileges for configuring the system as suitable for the working environment. For this application, the various area of operations such as customer token dispenser, customer calling counter, and customer calling display are treated as separate counters. Each of these counters can be configured by the admin with the required labels and can be made available for use. As the admin log into the system, the following dashboard will be available for the configuration of the system when the system is implemented for use for the first time. Once the configuration is completed, the respective user can log in at the relevant counters and counters will start functioning as per the configuration. The various options available for the admin in this dashboard are explained in detail. Whenever the user details are created, the following options such as the user role can be selected as a token dispenser or a caller or a display counter. Along with the user role, the display name and the other relevant details can be added into the same. You should add all the users. The privilege management will ensure the mapping of the respective privilege to the respective role of the user created. The section of the department management will be required for the admin to create the various departments that are required for the customers to generate the token. For example, in case of hospitals, the various departments can be general medicine, pediatric, ortho and so on. In case of store or a supermarket, the departments can be fish, meat, vegetable, fruits, rice and so on. The counter management is used for creating the counter location name, short name and mapping the same to the respective counter defined above. Once the user role, privilege and counter are created, the same can be mapped with the respective counter such as token dispenser, token caller and token display. Provision for setting the shape of the button required for the token caller to display along with the background and the font color are also available in the system. Similarly, provisions are available for the calling display counter setting with respect to the background color and the font color to be displayed. In case of use of a token generating printer, the respective header, footer and logo can be configured in the printer settings. After the completion of the printer setting, the mapping of the printer with the respective IP address of the token generator has to be done. Once all the admin works are completed, the system is now ready to work. The browser on the device which is kept for the token generation will display the login screen. Once the respective user mapped username and password are entered, the token dispenser screen with the respective departments mapped will be displayed. Models of working with provisions for entering the customer name and number and model of display with only department name are available. Once the customer visit, he can choose the respective departments and the token can be generated. This token will be printed out in the respective Wi-Fi printer mapped to the token dispenser. The customer calling screen will look like this. It will have the provision for the user to see the total number of pending tokens available, the last called token number, skip token number if any, and also provision for overriding and calling any new token number is also possible. To call a token, simply press the next token box. The interim counter screen will look like this. This profession is ideally suited for hospitals where the nursing station can call the patients first before called by the doctor, which is the customer calling screen. The customer display screen will look like this. In the screen which is viewed on a smart TV on a browser can have the name or the token number of the customer, the counter to which he is called, the current status and under which section is the token called for. The advantage of this system is that the queues of various department and counter can be displayed at a single TV screen. Provision for displaying individual department queue is also possible. You can view the detailed reports of called and issued tokens along with time and date customizations in Reports window. You can also watch real-time actions of ongoing tokens in live monitoring. Hope the above video gives you a brief idea of the working of the system. For any further clarification, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.